Okay, I found the other candy molds. These are the gardening tool ones, which are cute. The gardening gloves and stuff like that. And then this one. This watering can's too big, so I use the watering can from the small one there. So I'll put those off to the side for now. And we're done with these molds. Now I want to show you how to color some of the flowers. So we come over here to our paper towel here in our dusting area. And what we want to do is, let's start with the silver things actually. So this is new silver right here. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to take a dry brush. So I've got a dry brush right here. And I'm going to use this, bring it over, and actually dust the gray part. Now, as you can see, this isn't white chocolate here. What I did is I used, they actually have black chocolate on the market too, little discs of black chocolate. I just put 2 discs of black chocolate in with my white and it made a gray chocolate. If you don't have that, you can use a candy color to make it gray, and then that way when you put the silver dust on, you don't have to dust quite as much. I'm not going to do the handle because I'm going to cover that with fondant. Same thing here. Again, there's nothing on the brush, it's just a dry brush. You can see where the color didn't blend in so well there, but I wasn't worried because I'm going to cover that with fondant. The other ones I want to do are these here, and I have these little tiny ones, which are so cute. The watering can. Okay, so those can go off to the side. And I thought some of these pots, they could actually be more like a tin. So we'll do that one there, like that. The hat I did with white chocolate, and then I thought I would just take some brown. So this is cinnamon, it's a petal dust. There's petal dust and luster dust. Petal dust are matte dusting powders, which is what this is, and then the silver was a luster. I'm just going to brush this off, take some of the brown, and then just go around here, so make it more like a little straw kind of hat. Make sure you get some on the sides. Okay, I'll pop that on in a little bit. The other thing, this is a big kind of seed packet, and I thought if I take maybe a pink color, this is Magenta, and that is also a petal dust, so it's a matte dusting powder. And just very lightly go over it, and what happens when you go over something like that is it just picks up the detail that's in it. And then how about we do the tulip pink? So the top of the tulip, I'm going to do pink like this. The bottom, we'll take the brown. We'll do the pot. And make sure you get the rim of the pot there too. And then we even have green, so we can do the stem there with the green, which is right here. This is called super green. Now this is a luster dust, so that means it has the sheen to it. But you could use a petal dust, whatever you have. Here's another green, Cymbidium green. This one might actually stick better because this is a petal dust, so let me use this one instead. Okay, so there's our little pot. Okay, so like we can just stand this one right here like so. How cute is that? And then we'll do the daisy one. We'll do the pot brown, the flower yellow. This is canary yellow. So pot brown again. And then since yellow is such a lighter color, I need to use a new brush with that. And I also have a little bit of orange, which will be nice. So I'll take the yellow, brush the whole thing with the yellow. And then we'll take a little of the orange and just go around the edge with the orange. And then come back to the brown brush and a little brown in the center. Okay, and a simple way of doing little flowers. And then green on the stem. There we go.